on, what is it? What is the English? Okay. So our local hardware store. What? I seem to have forgotten how this is done. Okay, let's start again. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Thorn Pusakwe and I am Snowy's daughter. Now, I know I've been missing in action for the past few months, and I would like to sincerely apologize for that. I'm not going to bore you with all the reasons and the excuses why, but I am back now, and hopefully I'll be posting more frequently and more consistently. I obviously am home, like many other people, because of the state of the world and the virus that's going around now. And, with all that seriousness, all that sadness, because it's really sad what's happening all over the world, but I think we do need something lighthearted and distracting, just to keep our minds off of the stress that's going on right now. So I am back, and hopefully I'll be providing you with your daily lighthearted content. So anyhow, today I am making a PVC headboard, and guys, I'm doing this intro after the headboard is already done. I am so happy with it. I'm so excited to show you. I've been wanting to share this since I finished it. So here it is. So right before lockdown, I was able to find two 6-meter long 40mm PVC pipes at my local hardware, and this is what I cut each of my pieces from. So I used two 15cm pieces, two 40mm 90-degree elbows, 6 60cm PVC pipe, 12 40mm PVC T pieces, 2 20cm PVC pipe, and 10 40cm PVC pipe, 2 cans of gold spray paint, and 1 meter rope. Now, one thing I would advise you not to do is to break your pipe like I'm doing in this video, because it creates a lip right at the rim of the pipe and it makes it very difficult to fit into the elbow and T pieces. Now, the great thing about PVC is that it's very cheap, so if you do make a mistake, you can very easily replace the pieces, and you can adjust the size of this headboard to whatever space you would like it to fit. So once I had cut all of my pieces, I just went ahead and laid a 1.26 meter long piece of pipe on the ground as the top of my headboard, and then I just created the layout from there. So during the process of putting it all together, I will be keeping to this layout because this is exactly what I want the headboard to look like when I am finished. So as you can see, I'm just putting all of the pieces together, and each piece is connected by a T-joint, and the corners are the 40mm 90-degree bend elbows. So after I had gone ahead and put everything exactly as I wanted, I just took my bucket and settled down there to put it all together, because by this point I was so tired. But I just, got comfortable and slowly started to put everything as I had laid it out. Again, guys, don't do what I'm doing in this video, because I just went ahead and hit the pipe on the ground and cracked one of my T-joints. So I'm going through all of these mistakes so you guys don't have to. Be very gentle with your pipe, because it is plastic and it does crack when too much pressure is put on it. So I just went ahead and started putting together from the centerpiece, which is the biggest part of the headboard, and as you can see, it all comes together very nicely. The important thing is to make sure that everything is straight and fits together perfectly. Now after I had seen that it all fits, I just went ahead and took it apart again, because it is easier to spray paint it when it's apart and I can put it on a tray rather than trying to spray paint when it's all assembled already. Now at this point I realized I had not 2 gold spray paint cans, but 1 silver and 1 gold. So I went ahead and spray painted the pipe silver first as a base, and then just went with the gold on top. So all in all, it needs 2 coats of spray paint. So after spray painting everything, I let it dry for a few hours, and then I put it back together again in the exact same way as before, and it was amazing. I just didn't like that it looked a little bit empty, so I took a spare piece of rope, spray painted that gold as well, and then tied it decoratively on the headboard. Guys, here is the final result. I am so in love with this headboard. I love how cheap it was to make. The most expensive thing about it was the spray paint, and I just love how high-end it looks. You would never tell that it's just PVC and not metal. I did buy PVC glue, but I didn't end up using it in the end because everything fit so well together, and that's great because it means I can take the headboard apart anytime. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this headboard. I love every single thing about it, every little detail. I'm just so proud of it. Alright guys, thank you so very much for joining me for this one. I am so in love with this headboard. I love it. I mean, it's something fun, low cost, and it's a great solution to not having a headboard. So if you are making one for yourself as well, please do show me pictures. I'd love to see what more you can do with PVC piping, and I'm very glad that I'm able to be back on your screens once again. Thank you so very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.